Hi friends, I'm Emma. Today, we are going to draw 6 familiar 3D shapes together. Let's get started. First is a cylinder, tall and smooth like a soda can. Next up is a cube. It looks just like a little square box you see every day. Do you recognize any of these shapes? Now comes a square pyramid. It looks just like the pyramids in Egypt. Isn't that fun? The fourth shape is a rectangular prism. It reminds me of a lying gift box. Let's move on to the sphere. It's round just like the Earth or a bouncy ball. And the last one is a truncated cone. This shape looks a bit unusual, like a cup with the top cut off. Which shape do you like best? Once we're done drawing the outlines, it's time to trace everything neatly. Let's color them in. I'm starting with the cylinder. Red. I'm using red for the side and green for the top and bottom. Green. Aha! That might not look very realistic. Oh well, it's fun to be creative. Blue. Next is a cube. I'm coloring the front face with blue. Yellow. The top and side faces will be yellow, bright and cheerful. Maybe yellow should have been in the front. I love yellow the most. Orange. Now for the pyramid. I'll color the front side orange and the other side purple. Purple. Do those two colors match? Pink. Let's keep going with the rectangular prism. I'm using pink for the front and blue for the other two sides. kind of looks like a cube too, doesn't it? Red. Time for the sphere. It has two parts. The top will be red and the bottom green. It's just like a two-colored apple. Green. Yellow. Last one, the truncated cone. I'm coloring the side yellow because of course I love yellow. The top will be blue. Blue. I think I've used a lot of blue today. And that's it. We've finished all 6 shapes. Did you remember all their names? I had so much fun drawing with you today. See you again in the next video.